Acupressure for stomachache, nausea, bloating, or gas relief. Hi everyone. Do you ever experience discomfort or stress in your stomach? Well, we all get bloating, gas, and nausea. Right? If you have a sensitive stomach, your symptoms may be worse. Don't worry. Be calm. I'm here to lend a hand by sharing an incredible method of relieving the stress of the stomach that will make you feel better. So, let's get started without further ado. Acupressure is the best way to reduce stomach pain, nausea, and gas. It's a traditional Chinese massage that targets pressure points. Massaging pressure points helps sustain energy flow and boosts metabolism. How can we utilize acupressure to relieve stomachache, gas, and nausea? And the answer lies in this video. I am going to explain and locate some unique acupressure points and massage them effectively. By pressing firmly and massaging the various spots, stimulation of the pressure points is achieved. To alleviate the stomach ache, uncomfortable gas, and nausea, try applying pressure to the following acupressure. You should follow these 4 instructions to stimulate the pressure. First, apply pressure with your thumb, index, and middle fingers. These fingers provide the most pressure. Second, apply pressure to each location for 5 seconds while taking deep, calm breaths. And at third, slowly massage in a circular motion for 2 minutes. The 4th step will be the repetition of the cycle throughout the day as long as you're uncomfortable. After locating pressure points, every point should be stimulated by following the instructions. The first pressure point is called stomach 36 or Zusanli or 3-mile point. The stomach 36 pressure point is found 4 finger widths below your kneecap and 1 finger width to the outside of your shin bone. By stimulating this spot, you can relieve abdomen discomfort including gas and bloat, and stomach aches due to gas pain. Some of the additional benefits include the alleviation of nausea. The second pressure point is spleen 6 Sanyingio. The spleen 6 acupressure point lies 3 finger widths above your inner ankle. Massaging the lower belly relieves bloating and gas. The third pressure point is conception vessel 6. Conception vessel 6 is 3 finger widths below the abdominal button. Stimulating this pressure point relieves bloating, gas, digestion, and GI disorders. And the 4th point is the conception vessel 12. This acupressure point is located 4 finger widths above the belly button. When this acupressure point is massaged, it stimulates the digestive system, which in turn reduces belly gas and bloating. The 5th point is bladder 21. Bladder 21 is 6 inches from your lower back and 1.5 inches from each side. Stimulating this pressure point relieves gas, bloating, and stomach aches and improves digestion. Acupressure is an easy way to relieve gas, bloating, and stomach aches. Acupressure practitioners push on meridian acupoints with their fingers, palms, elbows, toes, or special equipment. You should give it a shot. Good luck with keeping your body's metabolism healthy. We will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.